Hello everybody and welcome back to the life skill class. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well and washing your hands thoroughly. Kids, last time I taught you how to arrange the books orderly, right? Did you remember? So today in our life skill class video, I'm going to teach you how to turn the pages of books or copies. Yes, so kids, listen and watch carefully. So let's get started. Kids, I have taken Hindi book to make you understand how to turn the pages. Suppose you want to write something in the Hindi book, right? Then how will you turn the pages? Let me show you. First, you need to open the book. How you're going to open it? You can open the book by holding the down corner of the book or up. Okay, it doesn't matter. But see, let me show you how to open it. We are going to use the thumb finger, index finger and the middle finger. Okay, middle finger for the support. See? First, index finger, we're going to place it down and thumb finger, we're going to place it up in this way. See, I'm holding in this way, see. Then you will put the middle finger down for the support. Now, we're going to open the book in this way. See. Now, let me show you how to open the page. See. Now, watch carefully. See, we need to use the index finger, thumb finger and for the support, middle finger. Okay? We need to just slightly pinch the page in this way. See? See? Slightly. See how I'm holding the two fingers in this way. See? Slightly we're going to pinch and then index finger down and thumb finger up. Then you're going to put the middle finger down. See, in this way. We came to the page number 3. Now I want to go to the page number 5. See, let me show you again. Use the index finger and thumb finger. Slightly pinch the page. Then put the index finger down and thumb finger up, then middle finger down for the support and you're going to turn the page. See, page number 5. See, now I want to go to the page number 7. Slightly pinch the page in this way, then put the index finger down, middle finger down, then thumb finger up and I'm going to turn the page. See, this is page number 7. Now, I want to go to the page number 9. Let me show you once again how to turn the page. See? Kids, now did you all understand how to turn the pages of your books and the copies? I hope you will do it by yourself next time.